Hello and welcome back to the data structures and algorithms tutorials. Today we'll be looking into the binary search algorithm code, and also just implementing it. All right. So go to the right package and then go to the right project, right package, right click, say your Java class, and then call it binary search algo. All right. And then we'll have a method. I'll make it static because I'm gonna have to test it inside the main class. It's gonna be I'll just call it binary search. Okay, so we'll have int, and then we'll have array, and then we'll have our target there. Okay, so now what we'll do is that we'll have our left being equals to 0, and then our right being equals to the array length -1. Okay, this is how the binary algorithm works. We know that the first time around, left will be on index 0, and then the right will be at the index length -1, the length of the array. So while the left is less than right, then we need to say, okay, fine, the midpoint is going to be left plus into right minus left. Then we divide all this by a 2, and we say if the target is equals to the contents of the mid, then what we need to do is we need to return the location. It means we found what we're looking for. We need to return the location at which that the contents are, which is the mid. Else, otherwise, we need to say if the target is less than the contents of the midpoint, then we need to say fine. If it is less than that, it means that the value must be somewhere on the left hand side of the sub array, which is going to be where the right will move to the left. We'll have the right moving to the left. Okay, otherwise we need to do this. We need to say fine. It means that it's greater, the target is greater than the value or the contents of the mid, which means that if that is the case, then the value most probably be on the right hand side of the sub array. Why? Because we know that the array is sorted. So which means that left will be mid plus a 1. Okay, and then otherwise, if we found ourselves not being able to get the value we're looking for, then we just need to return a minus a 1. Okay, let us quickly test our method. I'll just borrow some code from what we've done in our previous example. Let's copy this as is so we can use that. Then we'll have that, and then we'll also have int result is equals to binary search. We call this guy, and then we pass him int and also pass him the target there, and say if result is equals to -1, then what we need to do is we need to say the target value okay, target value target is not found, not found. Otherwise it means it's there in the array. Then we just print the location. So target value this sorry target value plus target, then we say found at index, and then we say result. Cool. Then that should be the end of our algorithm there. Then we say okay, fine, 10, it is found at index 0. And then if we were looking for perhaps 50, found at index 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and so on and so forth. So this is how this works.